welcome back to Clever Kids. Today we are going to learn how to play checkers. But before we start this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and give me a big thumbs up. So today we are going to learn how to play checkers. So first, we're going to learn where the pieces go. So the pieces go only on the black squares. Now we're going to learn where it goes. What direction it goes. It only goes diagonal. It's another word for going across or slanted. Now we're going to learn how to eat. How to eat is, if one of these pieces are here, you jump over it to eat. And make sure there is a space over here for you to jump over. So if this one's over here, then it cannot eat. If this one has a space and an empty square, it can go right there. Then you eat one of the player's pieces. Once you did that, we're going to show you how to eat even more than one. So you want to eat 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, even more than 1 time. Here's how you do it. So your piece is right here, and another one's here, and another one's here. You jump over it 2 times, like this. I already ate 1, now jump over twice. And you have to make sure there's spaces on these. If these are filled in, then you cannot eat. That's how you eat. That's how you eat 2 ways. Now we're going to play a quick game with my brother. But first, if you go on the other side of the game, then you become the king. So if your piece is eaten over here, and you grab it from there and eat it, and put it over there, that's the king. Now, and the king can go backward, but it still has to go diagonal, and it still has to be on the black square. And it can go forward too. I just want to summarize the steps on how to play checkers. Make sure you place the checker pieces on the opposite sides on the black spaces. You move diagonally. You can eat by jumping over the other person's pieces diagonally. In order to eat a piece, the square you land on has to be empty. You can also eat more than one piece with one turn with empty spaces in between the pieces to jump over. When one of your pieces reaches the top of the other person's side of the board, it becomes the king. A king can move in forward and backward and jump over to eat in both directions. The objective of the game is to eat all of the other person's pieces by jumping over them and win. If you can't eat all the pieces, then it's a draw. Thank you for playing. I hope you have a nice game. Now we're going to play a quick game with my brother, Rehan.
So that was good, Zaya. So yes, we're going to play a quick game with me today.
Okay. So here's yours. Here are mine's. So you have to go on the black squares.
Each piece can only move
diagonal.
And forward only.
Yes. If you're the king, you can go backward.
Yes. So I just ate her piece.
And I just ate his piece. Once we did that, now in our next video, we're gonna do a whole game. Before we end this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and give me a big thumbs up. Bye!